Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Ignite3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the general settings option, then scroll down and find the language option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have a list of languages. As you can see, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and apply it. And as you can see, the language was applied. And once you're done, you can go back to watch face by pressing the side button. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.